And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. It's not bright and it's not sunny, and it's definitely not a short stay. But hey ho, that's the way the flip-flop flops. So what have we got going on today? Today we've got Stuart coming up from Wales. He's bringing a problematic transit for a ride along. So he's one of our SimplyDiag members. And he's coming up today, spend a day with us. We're going to have a look at a dodgy transit. Can't wait for that. I wonder what's going to be the issue there. I think it's got DPF problems. So we'll have a look. We'll have a look, see. DPF and AdBlue, I think the issues are. But we'll get to know more. Morning, Jonathan. How are we? What have we got going on today in the workshop? Well, we've got a little Audi A1 in here. Intermittent short to ground on one of the cam sensors. Apparently it's that intermittent I can't get it to do it yet, so we might have to go and do a road test on that later. Then we got a Zafira there, a 17 plate Zafira with a camshaft actuator fault. Morning Darren, how are you? We've got the other Audi over there. The white Audi's waiting for a body control module. That's getting a new J519. Dags have still not got on your car. That will be done this week, I promise you, mate. Thunderbird 5's fueled up and ready to go for it on its adventures from Ashington when I get back from Amsterdam. Well, we've got Amsterdam first, then Somerset, then we're off to Somerset for the EPROM course at Technical Topics, Amsterdam for the DPF Doctor event in Almere in the Netherlands. That's going to be awesome. Can't wait for that. And then we're going up to Washington. We're going to block the DPF filter up on the Pickler Volvo, and we're going to do some testing on it. So can't wait for that. Yeah. On a side note, anybody out there does gardening or tip runs or anything like that could really do with this this area here cleaning up. It's built when the builders came in. It's been like that 2.5 years now nearly. Just doing it a bit of a tip run and sorting out a bit of nice landscaping there or something. Anybody knows any good landscapers? The hub's looking beautiful as ever. We've got somewhere. Oh, I've got my number 9s on the go over there. But let me tell you. John from Blake Street Garage the other day brought me some new number 9s. Cafe Olay Intenso, they're really good. Morning Daniel, I'm glad you enjoyed that, mate. Morning Andy. Yeah, I was a bit nervous and a bit wonky donkey on it, and you can tell I was definitely tired by the end of it, but I hope you really enjoyed it. Cafe Olay Intenso number 9s, highly recommend. Morning Richard, how are you, mate? Yeah, I've been watching the podcast again this morning, just had it playing in the background. So for any of you that haven't seen it, you go onto YouTube or Spotify and look for the Harmonic Motion podcast. We're episode number 8. There's been loads of really good episodes before me, and there'll be loads of really good episodes coming. So just the story of SimplyDiag, how we got to where we are, plans for the future, and what pushes me along. So well worth giving a subscribe, going and have a look at it. Hope you enjoy it. What else have we got going on? Not a lot. We've got another ride along tomorrow. I forget who's coming tomorrow, to be honest, but somebody's coming for a ride along tomorrow. And then on Thursday we've got Alex, another of our members. He's bringing us a broken Citroen. That's coming on a low loader tomorrow night in preparation. So broken Citroen. So like I say, the perks of being a SimplyDiag member is you can bring your broken cars here and we'll diag them together. How awesome's that? That's as well as the live Zoom, which is on most days. It was on yesterday for about 2 hours, but obviously I was really busy with it being a Monday. But that'll be on this morning now. Once I've done this now, I'll get it set up. So the member Zoom will be running. And jump in for live technical support, whatever you need. So see you later. Have an awesome Tuesday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Oh no, nearly forgot the birthdays. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on the hump day, happy hump day birthdays. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.